just about does it, Lisa.
Right, Nick. The living room is finally clean.
Hi, Nick. Wow! Am I at the right house? Your living room is usually so messy, and now it's so clean.
Of course it is. I am an expert at cleaning up.
You mean to tell me that you cleaned everything up by yourself?
That's right, George. You should have seen me mopping and scrubbing and sweeping and straightening up. Oh, and Lisa helped out a little bit too.
A little bit?
Yeah, Lisa really caught on after I showed her what to do.
I'm glad to hear that, Nick. Since you're such an expert, you can help me clean up my house.
Clean up your house? Lisa, do you think you can come with me to George's house? I need your help.
Well, okay, Nick. But you have to carry all the buckets, mops, and brooms.